how to pay someone using Payoneer. So first you want to head to payoneer.com and then sign into your account. Now all you got to do is click on the pay button on the left side, and then you can choose to pay a recipient through Payoneer account or through their bank account. So the first option here, you can click on it, and you will need to specify the email or the name of the recipient and look for it. You can also expand recent recipients to see the previous people you've sent money. Now select the guy you want to send money or you want to pay, and then you want to select the service or the type of the transaction. For example, a contractor, and then you want to select the balance you want to use for the payment. For example, USD balance, and the balance the other guy should receive the money on, for example, USD balance as well. And then you want to specify the amount at the bottom here. The minimum is $50. Once you specify the amount, you can click on the next button and confirm the payment, and that should basically send the payment to the other guy. Now once you send a payment, it usually takes a few minutes to be processed. And the second way to send is to pay a recipient through their bank account. You can click on this option here. Now for this, you will need to add the recipient's bank account. If you don't have it already linked, you can click on the add bank account option here, and then click on my recipient will add them later. I have already one account linked, but if you don't have one, you can click on I'll add them now myself, press next, and then you will basically ask the guy you want to pay for their bank details and continue here to add them to Payoneer. And once you've added them, you can go back to the pay page and select them from here. Select the balance you want to pay them from, for example, USD. And then you want to specify the reason for this transaction, for example, a contractor. And then you can specify the amount. Again, the minimum is $50. Now all you got to do is review the payment and then confirm it to be sent to the guy. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.